Hi, my name is Annika and I'm a Senior Admissions Advisor at the University of Derby, and I'm here today to give you some top tips of how to get the most of your clearing phone call. Firstly, with what to expect. The university just want to know what qualifications and grades you received, and please don't be discouraged if you got less than you wanted or don't meet the requirements. We have a lot of different courses with a foundation year option, so you can still progress to the overall degree that you want to study. Now, with how to prepare, we understand that clearing can be stressful, so take a deep breath and try not to worry. Universities just want to talk to you about where you want to be and what kind of courses you want to study. Before you make the call, have a look at the universities which offer the courses that you're interested in. It will be useful to look online about the course, the module descriptions, the methods of assessment to figure out if it's the right option for you. It's also a good idea to look at the accommodation that they offer to get a general feel of what the university will be like. It is also useful to have your qualifications, certificates and personal statement at hand. You'll be asked about the subjects that you studied and the grades you achieved, as well as your GCSEs, so please make sure that you have that information ready. The university may also want to know what work experience you have in your chosen area, and please bring forward any questions that you might have, so it might be useful to have a list of those ready so you don't miss anything. During the course, stay calm and confident. The university is there to put you at ease and help you make the right choice. When you're talking to the call handler, be sure to show your passion and tell them about any relevant work experience that you might have alongside your qualification. Once your place is confirmed, you can take a look at the university in more detail and secure your accommodation. Social media is also a great way to connect with other students who will be starting at the same time as you and perhaps on the same course. So be sure to join forums, Facebook groups, and keep an eye on our student union page for taster sessions and workshops over the summer. Lastly, good luck, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.